upload the through API like a file upload. So this is the sample API, and this is the Postman. Through Postman, I am uploading some file. So this is the which is available from in the Postman. So this is the endpoint URL postman.echo.com and post, and this is the CSV file. So I'm attaching the CSV file into the body, and I'm hitting the when I hit in the send, then I'm getting the responses with 200 status. This is the response. So same thing, I'm sending the I'm uploading the file through playwright with TypeScript. So this is the code which I written. So I will explain. So you have to first install the axios. It's through axios I done the API testing through axios. How we can, so npm axios you can search. You will get this one, npm axis, and you can install this axis. Just copy and paste it into your terminal, so it will be installing axios object. The terminal, just you can paste over here and hit the enter. In my case, already I installed the axios npm model, so I'm directly using the axios models, and I'm importing test and expect from the playwright test, and import path from the path javascript. So this path is mainly used for finding the path of the file. So it was came from the javascript and const accessor. So we need to import the accessor, all the node model. So that's why I created one variable, and I created the require accessor, and fs will created one more variable and require file system. This is fs means file system, and this is the test how we can write in the playwright. So here password request, I'll be getting this one not required. So this is my test case C. So I created one variable file and path dot result. So already I imported path from the JavaScript, and I am telling like which file I need to find. So industry.csv. So in industry.csv, I copied into my framework. So this is my file. This is the CSV file, and file location I created one more variable and reading that file through path. So again I'm reading to the file system, and I'm passing that variable here, so that it will write my industry.csv file. And I'm using try and catch flag. I created one more variable const response. This is await means it will be wait for the execution. So because as it's TypeScript I'm using, so and it was asynchronous, so that's why we're using the await. And accessor, this accessor which we are imported here, so we have to use the same. And the method, in your case, if it's a get or push, post or put or delete. In my case, post method, so I'm passing the post and the URL. This is the URL, and in the headers I'm passing the accept and content type is a multi-part one form dot. So this one actually, if you go to playwright, sorry, postman, you can see in the body form data is selected. So that's the reason same I'm passing here, multi-part form data. And in the multi-part, I need to send name and mimi types and buffer. So name, I can give the which file name. So file it will be passing. This is the file. So which file I need to pass, and mimi type, whether it was the image or a text or CSV or like a text. So we have a many types, mimi types. So as per your file, so you can pass it. In my case, I'm uploading the CSV file, so that's why I'm passing the text slash CSV. And the buffer, it was like a file location, so I'm passing this one variable file location. So then I'm putting console.log response to data in the axis. So we are using the data to fetch the response. So in other, if you use the playwright request method, you have to use the response dot party. In my case, I'm using the axis. So in the axis, I'm using the data for the getting the responses. Now I'll be executing this one and I'll show the output. So it got executed and it got passed. This is the response body, file, forms, header, host. We can observe here. See, files, forms, header, host, postman.echo, and x request dot. And here also same, and connection content length. So in the same response you'll be getting here. So you can get the response whatever you want, and you can validate using the expect assertions. Thanks.